Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card design, I am featuring a really cute stamp set called Witty-cisms. It's actually very whimsical, and I'm going to show you how to use the same design but create different cards for different occasions. You could even possibly give these cards as a gift. So I'm starting off with a square of Whisper White stamping weight paper, and I am inking up my strawberry image with Memento Tuxedo black ink. It says, "Thank you very much." So I'm stamping in the middle of that square, and then I will ink up this stamp one more time, and I'll just stamp it on a scratch piece of paper. So I'm going in with my Blends alcohol markers, and I'm going to color the strawberry. Now, of course, if you don't have alcohol markers, they're my preference for sure. But if you don't have them, you could use watercolor pencils or, the ink markers or whatever you have in your stash, pencil crayons, even crayons, you never know. Anyway, the colors I used for the berry are Rail Red, and this is shaded Spruce. I thought it went really well with the strawberry. And then I went in with my darkest black, and I enhanced the black spots that are on the strawberry. So I fussy cut this image out. It was pretty easy. I did leave a little white border around the black line. I've put a dimensional on the back of my strawberry, and I've adhered that to the card. I'm making sure that I overlap my stamping, so to make sure it's perfect. So it's just a popped up image. Now I'm taking our multi-purpose liquid glue, and I'm going to adhere this square to a real red square. And this is the joy of having inks that match with our cardstocks, because those inks match perfectly. So I'm taking that matted piece now, and I'm going to adhere it to a Whisper White thick card base. And I'm going to try to make the three sides, the top and the scored side and the open side, all even, and then I will have just a little bit of white at the bottom. It's okay not to cover everything in the card. Simple cards work best this way. One little tip, if you could try to be as straight as possible, that is always a bonus. So I'm going in with my Wink of Stella, and I'm going to share with you all the cards that I made with this particular design. So the happy birthday card there with the clock, I used Balmy Blue. The grad card, I used gray, Smoky Slate. The taco, which just gets me, that was So Saffron. The chinchilla, I used the gray granite. The cactus, I used Granny Apple Green. And the baby carriage, I used purple. It was Highland Heather. All right, that's my share for Monday. Lots of cards. You can stop by my blog if you want to see stills of them, and stay to the end of the video because I'll show you all the stills. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.